Good morning. Welcome to ICCM Studio Kitchen. My name is Priyanka and today we are going to learn how to prepare vegetable quesadilla. Vegetable quesadilla belong to Mexico, Mexican cuisine. They are popular in the central and northern region of Mexico. Did you know the meaning of Mexico literally means little cheesy things? Queso in the starting of quesadilla means little cheesy things. Now let's have a look to the ingredients we are using for preparing quesadillas. First, we are using seasoning, sweet paprika, black pepper, dry oregano, roasted cumin powder, salt, butter for roasting, processed cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese, garlic, lemon juice, jalapenos, green chili, tomato, onion, capsicum, green and yellow zucchini, mushrooms, and ready-made tortilla sheets. For garnishing, we are using cilantro and chives. Now let's start with the preparation. Let's start with slicing the mushrooms. We'll slice zucchini in thin juliennes. We'll cut juliennes of green zucchini as well. Now let's start cutting juliennes of capsicum as well. Now I will remove the seeds in the center part of the capsicum as it tastes bitter while cooking. By crushing the capsicum like this, we'll get the similar thin slices of the capsicum as we require for the quesadillas. Now let's keep it back in the bowl and we will chop this onion for salsa. Salsa is a dip which is used for eating quesadillas. Now we will squeeze the lemon for lemon juice, which is used for salsa as well as quesadillas. Now let's mince this garlic for the filling of quesadillas. We'll prepare a filling of vegetable quesadilla for which we require the garlics. First, we crush the garlic. For mincing, we require fine chop. For fine chop, we require to crush this garlic first, then we have to chop them finally so that we get the perfect filling for quesadillas. Now let's mince this garlic. These garlics not only give the flavor but also enrich the filling of the quesadillas, which gives the mouthfeel to the palate. For finally chopping these green chilies for salsa, first we require to slit them in between and then we are going to cut them, chop them so that we can get the finely chopped green chilies for our salsa dip. This can also be used for filling of salsa with other vegetables if we require little spicy flavor. Now let's chop these jalapenos for the filling of the salsa. These are sliced, but we require fine chop so that it can evenly spread in the quesadillas. For filling, we require to chop the tomatoes and de-seed them. First we cut the tomato in 2 parts, then we de-seed them. and the flesh is chopped in finely. We are going to use this for filling. Juliennes can also be used, but we require mushy tomato, so we are chopping them. Again, we are going to chop this another tomato for our salsa dip. Salsa dip, also known as pica di gallo. It can be prepared from any kind of ingredients like green tomato, orange, avocado. Today we are preparing tomato salsa, which also known as pica di gallo. There are different types of salsa like salsa verde, salsa roja, and tomato salsa. All these are prepared with quite similar ingredients, but the main ingredients are different. For example, for tomato salsa, we are using red tomatoes. For salsa verde, we require green tomatoes. We'll chop the cilantro for our filling as well as the salsa dip. Now let's chop these chives. These are also known as spring onions, which we are going to use for filling as well as for our salsa dip. Now let's grate this cheese for the filling of quesadillas. You can use combination of any cheeses. Now I am using particularly cheddar cheese. Now let's start by preparing the filling for the quesadillas. We require non-stick pan to prepare quesadillas. First we heat some oil, 2 tablespoons of oil we can use. Heat this oil so that we can get the proper texture by sauteing the vegetables for the filling. First we add onions. We saute these onions till we get the transparent texture of the onions. Along with onion, we are supposed to add the zucchini. I am using mixture of yellow and green zucchini because it takes a bit more time to cook. We are adding zucchinis with onion. Now the onion and zucchinis are half cooked. We add capsicum and let it cook for a while. Now we will add half tomatoes, and half tomatoes we are going to keep for salsa dip. Along with this, we are going to add our mushrooms as well. For reducing the time of cooking, now we will add the salt so that the vegetables cook properly. As you can see, the vegetables are mushy and they are a bit cooked. Now we will add the seasoning. You can add seasoning along with your taste palette. I am adding half teaspoon of dry oregano. I am using sweet paprika. You can use hot paprika as well. A bit of cumin powder as it gives a pungent taste, and a bit of black pepper. We'll finish this filling by adding some cilantro as well as some chives, a bit of chives. If these are optional, if you want to add, you can add, or else you can skip this step as well. Our filling is ready. Now we'll let it cool down for a while by removing it in a bowl. You can use any kind of vegetables which you like. Now I am using zucchini, mushrooms, tomato and onions. Rather than these vegetables, other vegetables can be used for the filling of quesadillas. Till the time our filling is going to be cooled down, we are going to prepare salsa dip, which is used as a condiment for any kind of Mexican dishes like tacos, nachos or quesadillas. For preparing salsa dip, we require some chopped onions, tomatoes, jalapenos. If you are not having jalapenos, you can use any kind of chili. We are going to use green chili as well, a hint of green chili, because jalapenos are also give spicy taste. Now we are going to add minced garlic, some spring onion, also known as chives, as well as cilantro, tablespoon of lemon juice, and salt as required. Now we are going to mix all this. And lastly, we are going to add a half tablespoon of oil. This is salad oil, olive oil, which gives it a perfect texture for our dip. Let's refrigerate it till we fill our quesadillas and roast them. Our filling is cooled down now. Let's fill them in tortilla sheets and roast non-stick pan. For filling, we require ready-made tortilla sheets, or you can use the homemade as well. We fill them in a one corner of the sheet, like a half. We will cover it as a half moon. That's why we are filling it in one side. Now top it with lots of cheese, as the name suggests, little cheesy things. And cover it. Same we are going to do with the another sheet as well. We have to spread filling in the one side on the one side of the sheet. And let's cover it with lots of cheese. Again, pack it in like a half moon shape. Tortilla sheets are filled with vegetables as well as lots of cheese. Now let's roast them in a non-stick pan. You can use tawa as well. Till the time this pan is getting heated, we apply some butter. For roasting, I am using butter. If you want, you can also roast it in any kind of oil. We'll apply some butter and place this tortilla sheet over this pan. First we will roast it on the one side, then we flip it and roast it on the another side. While roasting, you can press the edges of the sheet so that while the cheese is melting, it sticks the edges of the sheet. Till the opposite side is roasting, we apply some butter on the another side of the sheet so that it won't stick and give the nice roasted texture on the top. As you can see, the one side is already roasted. We already got the golden brown texture on top. It's a bit crispy. And the inside filling is some soft and tender. Let's remove this and cook the another sheet of tortilla filled with lots of cheese and veggies. Meanwhile, flip it to get the perfect texture as well as it can cook properly evenly from all the sides. Now apply butter on the another side and flip it. Now we'll roast this till we get the golden brown texture on top. It's roasted from both the sides. Then let's remove it and cut it and serve it with the salsa dip we have already prepared. Now our vegetable quesadillas are ready. Let's start with the plating. For plating, we need to cut in a size so that we can eat it properly. We'll plate our quesadillas along with salsa dip which we have already prepared. We'll garnish it with some chives. As you can see, our quesadillas are ready. Let's taste and see how we have prepared them. The outer layer of tortilla is nice crisp and the inside filling is soft and juicy. It tastes very good with this salsa dip and also a hint of spice which we have already added in this salsa is giving a pungent flavor. Thanks for being with us throughout the video. If you want to start your career in culinary arts, please join IACCM Pune.